Hi everyone, welcome back to KBK P6 Planner and Scheduler YouTube channel. In our last video, we built our EPS, the Enterprise Project Structure. But a project structure is useless without people to manage it. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the OBS organizational breakdown structure. This is how you define the manager and teams responsible for your project. Before jumping, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and share. The OBS is essential for your company organization chart. While the EPS represents what work is being done, the OBS represents who is responsible for it. The magic happens when we link the two together by assigning an OBS element to an EPS node. You control who has the authority to view or edit those projects. It's the key to security and accountability in Primavera P6. Last time we created a project structure, EPS project structure, the XYZ construction group. We created two division, infrastructure division and residential division, and we create a sub-department under infrastructure, the highway and road, rail and transit, suburban housing here, highway, high-rise apartments. So today we're gonna assign the managers and the team responsible for this enterprise project structure. So the first thing is we go to the enterprise menu here, pick the OBS one, click the add button. So we're gonna take it to the top, this one, the new OBS. Okay, now it's in at the top. So we're gonna add for XYZ construction group, we have a CEO, insert the CEO here. So our CEO is gonna be James. So James is the CEO for the XYZ construction company. So under James, we have two program managers, Jennifer and Michael. Add Jennifer and Michael under James. Click this one, the add button, and take it to the right. And here we have to write program manager, our program manager Jennifer. So the second program manager, which is Michael. So we're gonna write here program manager Michael. So we have two program manager under the CEO James. So under the program manager Jennifer, we have two projects. So those two projects is run by Mr. John and Mr. Robert. So we're gonna insert those two here by clicking the add button under the program manager. So we're gonna click this one. So it's under the program manager. So we're gonna write project manager here. John is our project manager. So there is another project as well, which is Robert is the project manager for this project. Under the Michael, we have two project managers, William and Linda. So we're gonna insert William and Linda under the project manager Robert. We're gonna add a new one, so we're gonna take it to the right because I want to make it under Michael. So now it's under Michael. So I'm gonna insert project manager William here, and then I'm gonna click on the blank space here. Then I'm gonna add another project manager Linda. So this is the OBS structure. We have here the CEO. We have under CEO, we have a Jennifer, program manager. We have a program manager, Michael. Under program manager, Michael, there are two projects that he runs. So those projects run by John and Robert. So here under project manager, we have Michael. Under him, we have two project managers, which is William and Linda. So this is the OBS structure that we created for our XYZ construction group company that we created EPS on the last video. So right now, the most interesting part, we're gonna assign this project manager to each EPS. So this is the most interesting part. We're gonna click here, CEO James. First, before we clicking here, let's close from here. So I'm gonna click the enterprise menu here. So I'm gonna pick the one which is the enterprise project structure. So I will come right here. You remember this one, the enterprise structure that we created for the XYZ construction group. First, I'm gonna pick the XYZ construction group. So after that, I'm gonna come here and responsible manager. I'm gonna assign responsible manager, which is CEO James. So I'm gonna click on CEO James. I'm gonna add. So there is a message pop up here. So would you like to assign CEO James as the responsible manager for the WPS element? We're gonna say yes. So right now James is assigned to XYZ construction group. So we're gonna go all the way down like this, and we're gonna assign each person to designated position. So for infrastructure division, we have Jennifer. So we're gonna assign Jennifer. We're gonna click here. We have here Jennifer. So we're gonna click this button. So the same thing, it come up. Would you like to assign program manager Jennifer? Yes. We're gonna click yes. Now Jennifer is assigned. For the highway and road, we're gonna assign John, and we're gonna look for project manager John, assign him to highway and road. After that, rail and transit. So we have to assign Robert for this one. Click the add button. Robert assigned for this one. So residential division, we have Michael, the program manager. Here, Michael, the program manager, it's already assigned right now. So the next one is for suburban housing, we have William. So we're gonna go here at the responsible manager, William, then click the add button. William is already assigned. So the last one is the high-rise apartments, which is Linda, the project manager. We go here, we look for a project manager, Linda. So we're gonna click this one. Linda is assigned for the high-rise apartments. Right now we assigned all of them for each position. So this is what the OBS structure and how to assign OBS to EPS. So this is how you can be able to do. It's already assigned. We're gonna close this one here. And that's it. You have now mastered the two pillars of P6 setup, the EPS and the OBS. By clicking your people to your project, you have set a stage for a professional secure database. If this video helped you understand OBS better, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. It really helps out. If you have any question about OBS and EPS, leave a comment below. In our next video, start creating new project. Until then, see you. Thank you.